Hello everyone, it's Wolf here back with another video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step A to Z how to buy Dogecoin. Okay, so currently Dogecoin is 10 spot on live coin watch, and like you can see it has had massive run up, and like look at this, like it's insane. Okay, and I've been on cryptocurrency since like 2016 to 2017 ish. Okay, 2016, late 2016, and at that point Dogecoin was here. Okay, and now it's here, but I don't own any Dogecoin. But I want to record this video to show how to buy Dogecoin, because if you don't know how to buy it, I'm going to show you. Okay, and yeah, when you come here you can see that you can buy Dogecoin on Binance. Okay, so Binance is the biggest one of these, like you can see, so that's why I highly recommend Binance, because it's the best. Okay, all you have to do is go to there's a link in description, and when you click it and sign up on Binance you will save 20%. So go ahead and do that. But if you already own Binance account, just log in and let's go. Okay, this is how you buy Dogecoin. So first you have to understand that when you create your Binance account, you will have a wallet like here. So when you click wallet and find deposit, you'll see your wallet right here. Okay, so that's the first thing that you have to understand. And here are some, well, I have a little Doge, it seems, but here are some coins that I currently hold on my Binance account. But anyway, when you create your Binance account, you will have your own wallet. Okay, so whenever you buy cryptocurrencies, they will show up here. And buying Dogecoin is fairly easy. All you have to do is go to buy crypto, and you can select any of these. So bank deposit, credit debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, or third-party payment. So I've been using Simplex, and then I've been using credit debit card and bank deposit. Currently I'm only using credit and debit card because it's so easy. So let's go with that. So I'll click that. Okay, and then you will see here overview, and when you click the coin here and type in Doge, just click that, and boom, here you can buy Dogecoin. Now I'm currently in Europe, so I have euros here, but if you're, for example, from the United States, it will show up USD here, so don't worry about that. After that, all you have to do is just, select how much you want to buy, and then we'll click buy Doge, and then it will take you through the confirmation. So basically you just confirm your credit card, and that's that. And after you have bought it, it will instantly show up in your wallet here. So after you have bought it, when you go to your wallet back here, the Dogecoin will show up right here. Okay, so that's how you buy Dogecoin. It's very fast. It's not like you don't have to do anything at all, and that's basically it. Now, if you want to sell your Dogecoin, there are a couple options here. Okay, so you can come here to your wallet, and here where it says a trade, you can click that, and you can trade Dogecoin to these cryptocurrencies. For example, you can sell it for euros in my case, or you can sell it for USD. You can just cash out, or you can sell it for Bitcoin or USDT or any of these. Okay, and for example, if you want to trade you can trade your Dogecoin to BTC, and then trade that BTC into other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's the fast way. And you can also come here and go to classic, and when you search here Doge, you can see here are the Doge pairings also. So that's how it works, and that's really that's basically it. Okay, so there, it's not complicated. That's how you do it. And if you, like I said, if you don't have Binance account, you can check it out in the description. And anyway, subscribe to my channel for more awesome, very easy to follow tutorials. And yeah, see you in the next videos, and thank you so much for watching.